Hello guys, and this is tutorial stream, and in this video you will learn how you can choose a course in the SoloLearn application on mobile. So let us begin. So let me launch SoloLearn, and what you will need to do guys is log into your account, of course. Let us do this here on my Android. So after logging in guys, tap into Learn on the bottom left, and here let me just collapse that course here. So what you will need to do is swipe all the way down to that button here, view all courses, and here guys you can swipe between or through these course categories like programming foundation, data, app development, AI and generative technologies, and so on and so forth. I will go with the programming foundations, and after that guys simply select or choose one of these below, for example about coding, to learn the basics, for example in this case here of programming and coding. So yeah, I don't know which one to go with. Simply swipe through that list and you will see also the course participants to the right, which is for example 2 million for this one here, Introduction to Python. Tap into it to enroll into it, and that's it guys. Hope you enjoyed it, and until next time.